aluminum performance pans are a classic addition to your kitchen for delicious cake baking and so much more. Aluminum is an optimal material for baking. It heats quickly and evenly and cools down fast. But the aluminum used for our Wilton performance pans takes it a step further because they're made with anodized aluminum, which is aluminum made with a safe finishing process that helps your pans resist rust, which means you get great baking results for years to come. Our cake pans are also designed with straight sides, so they're ideal for decorating, and the aluminum construction means your cakes bake evenly without any hot spots. From baking sheets to extra deep cake pans, Wilton performance pans are the perfect fit for any baker. Whether you're just starting or you've been baking and cooking at home for ages, our Recipe Right nonstick bakeware line has a pan to fit any recipe. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. Each pan comes with handles so you can easily maneuver them in and out of the oven, and the reinforced nonstick coating keeps food from sticking, so cleanup is easy. And they're dishwasher safe, which means washing them takes little time and effort so you can enjoy cooking at home even more. Made from sturdy steel with a non-stick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. So grab your favorite recipes or find some new ones. Wilton Recipe Right non-stick bakeware is the perfect set to enjoy every day baking and cooking.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, here today to talk to you about Cuisinart's Chef's Classic Non-Stick Bakeware. Here in front of me I have just a few pieces that's part of the vast collection of bakeware. These are the cake pans, and what we have here is a fluted cake pan, a springform pan, a 13x9 cake pan, a 9-inch cake pan, the 2 pan, and of course lastly the 9-inch round cake pan. They are constructed of aluminized steel, which is very, very sturdy and also great for even heating. And is coated with the Whitford Xylan non-stick coating on the inside and the outside. So for easy release of your baked goods, as well as easy cleaning, should there be any drippings after you've baked. The great part is that it also goes in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. And what I did here was I whipped up some batter earlier because I love to bake. I like to think that I'm a baker. But this is some coffee cake, and I'm just going to sprinkle on some sugar and try not to make a mess. And there you have it. Cuisinart's Chef's Classic Non-Stick Bakeware. So savor the good life with Cuisinart.